Welcome back. So I tried to take this one outside today. As I got to the place, absolutely tipped down. It's still raining now. And I need to get 3 or 4 done ready in the bag because I'm away next week in Italy around Lake Como. So it's going to have to be indoors the next 3 or 4 videos. I can't help that, can't help the weather. So I'm just going to go through a few of the viewers' questions, do a couple of short videos, and that will keep the channel active until I get back from Italy. So I'll flick it up on the screen, but Shane says, how do you explain when you have several readings that share similar themes, evidence, messages? Is it a combination of our frame of reference to understand spirit and synchronicity? Is it our mind growing our database relationship with spirit? Thank you. So it's a good question, and it's something that will happen along your journey. The more and more you expand to go out into the public, whether that be just in readings or as a demonstrating medium, you'll find that these themes, as you have termed it there, they seem to come along. So if you're someone that's very comfortable doing nans and granddads, you'll have like a spike or a period of time when you'll do a lot of loving mums and then some wonderful dads. And so your mind can hold it much more freely. So if it's like evidence that keeps reappearing, it's because your mind, your database has it now, and it's a reference point that the spirit world can use without expelling too much energy trying to get you to understand it. It becomes free of mind. So absolutely, it's a building of a database, and obviously from the medium's point of view, it's very free for their mind to grasp it now. They understand. Then you may move on to other communications, like you'll have a spike of readings or demonstrations where there will be a not so lovely mum and a not so lovely dad, and then this will happen. Then maybe children, then maybe naughty people, and the way that they live their life through their story. And the more and more we work, and the more our database has this freedom, that the spirit world are almost just flagging it in your mind. And because you felt it, it's familiar, the energy is just so, oh, I know this feeling, or I know what they're trying to do there. It just becomes very free. We're not panicking, we're not worried, we just go with the flow. So you answered your own question there, Shane, which is good. It means that you're starting to grip and understand your relationship with the spirit world, and that is absolutely wonderful. And it is a very good question. Many other mediums, developing mediums, may wonder why that happens. Why does it come in in periods of time? Why do I keep getting nanas and granddads? And why do I keep getting mums and naughty mums and horrible mums? And it will give the viewer something to look at in their own mediumship. And you'll notice it throughout your mediumship. Something that used to be very difficult and I just don't understand it will become very free for you now, and it's just there. If it's within their evidence, it's just so free for you to express it in the way that it needs expressing. So thank you for the question. Thank you for getting involved in that. I'm going to round this one up here today. So it is a very short video, so a lot of you like the shorter videos. So subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Like the video, comment if there's anything you want created or done. When I get days like this, I can just do 3 or 4 and get them in the bag ready for you on top of my schedule or what I want to put out. It's for you, the channel's for you. So if there's anything you want to ask, get it in the comments and I'll see what I can do, see if I can create a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.